Badwam dwumadie nkae no eto so efisɛ ɔman hene Kwabena Sante aye krado na menya ma na chi kura no de ache ne hia media na kyese magye ne so dadaada ofew ene odel so
fu akɛsie ni
opani Owura Sante se ben pacho mache
majo so na dai ede man ko jiso mbesa nya adaja sa ka se
ma ka se Ghana ni no bi cha no anye so na afei ubisa ho se ade
me papa ohun so ba cha no aheda esin trust
ene o papa na nkrofo ya ne pa batanya na sem opani Asante mi gidi se na nkrofo ya o pa papa we come o mpanchi a o tia no so a onye so bata bia no so
bibi aboko de
boko
good isu to anase still on the mu ye kakra
na nsade no na
okay
na no achi de mi nyante baby ade
I see and I see the say the bibi e kama
mama de to won
to pa on the suit ha na to anti me ni di na ya bo mama wachi e gina Maulin Tabai kese no so pa na ye de ma wachi sabre because the entire team ana e de san komo we bro nyame aduma ya catch us say the big show the people's cry nyame aduma e china wo aboso kan I'm sure say why crowd say ube share yesu ni yedwadwa yetwa nyina no ye ni nkomo enye didi atem enye ntokwa so that ye betimi akere ya adwene ye betimi asusu bibi ho na bibi bia timi akoso kama de ama ye pese Ghana e fa ntoma pefra nti you need to understand say wonso kan obi ana sa ntoma na ye pene ye betimi afa edi efra nti hunu se ye di edwuma ya so no na ya so bekwa akofo mche dache hene okwa abosto ka what me say what the can say ye keka wonsem ye bo ho videos na abosto kan de nipa bidim crash as ye kan it's just to tell you that ye nyina ye wa sudie say adwene Ghana ho na Ghana timi fa ntoma preferenti yesu no the people's cry onyame adoma edition 1 abosto kan ana ye de bro the entire team will be there but for now as well do aso the broadcast team na they all online so the ebre e ma ye ho kwan na afi ebre so be ma be kwa homa no so ne achocho e kan say asuku nkabom ku no wono kasa ma fon so de nkomo ene obera aban hihye mu no a teacher for atiatua nti a headmaster for na say nyamombo akiri na mombo akiri dom na mowe say de nkora no so ne adekire ho nsem ne aduane ho nsem betima akototi yewe how sa directives we aba no omo so omo manage anaso omo so say de adu ne de omo so bebu ogum ama yetima kwenu nti sa nkomo no so beba but Daily Graphic say improving tourism sector, $10 million SMEs grant launch. And what's some and what say who say road minister, His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, and Afira a while, or also Ewa say Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture, or also Ewa AG empowers RTI Commission to prosecute offenders. And after Ghana IMF begin talks on enhanced domestic program. And what's some Ewa the Daily Graphic. The Chronicle say World Bank Defense Ghana says global challenges cause of economic crisis. And after Zambians in Ghana to study how mining sector operates. John Boadu, 3 billion Ghana cedi bribe. John Boadu, 3 billion Ghana cedi to bribe delegates. Haba. And I'm just a quick responded to that. And 45 new buses for Metro Mass Transit. And no more epa ehontuma sector minister of Resia Manafi minia Albert so Metro Mass moso mujuma moye on kama. The Ghanaian Times president launches $10 million grant initiative for SMEs in tourism, hospitality, creative arts industry. And what's and a country's interest is priority in IMF deal, and government takes custody of first batch textbooks from appointed time printing press for distribution to schools. And Supreme Court affirms judgment in favor of Odino Kwafo Akoto Autoso. The online, the end
oh my, what's Zambia in Ghana to learn?
Said yeah, mine and homes themselves.
Zambia,
yes.
In Ghana, to learn, said yeah.
Zambians, no, I do Ghana. Ono be shia kwa first one. Edi juma eba. Yeah, a former
good year to home.
Yeah.
Okay, Adom online here. Oh my, but me that say na. Adom online ra enyumre kase mo ne yebo amane se mampani ede ahyen ya ye frɛ no Metro Mass ne bi no. Makomako aduanan num na akoma Metro Mass Transit ne se se ne be ya akobedie o mafo akwanti ho nsɛm ebekɔ jojo ede ama wo enti no so adomonline.com ebo ho amane ewa ha na wei enso da hanom say adwo asafo again no so enru adom kasem ye ma wote say empanifo sinkonwa ehwe nanim adonhwe and 4 hours wensi ho enti no so eda hanom say COVID-19 Russia-Ukraine war not cause of Ghana's economic woes. Dr. Dufour na echiremu say empanifo no ayeka say Ghana ayehe enti omoma Ghana nyo na womo de Russia Ukraine ku asie ene COVID-19 ebu nkonta saa no owura Dufour say asem nye nokre womo nyaika na emfa kwan mu kra levy wage bill others high on agenda as IMF bailout negotiations kickstart enti no eyewo enimsem dada say ehun konyasie nyina akoso enti de ebekwa kopie mu no nso den ya adom kase emfa enkame ba konse wa ha no fa apomode ho nsem ene say ekuo bi ene say sa COVID-19 no sika potia ekomu ene eka wo mo boy ya de bia ase empanifo mebu nkonta no mo mpa no ye ne etia Ghana force kromu ayehia na wo makakofa COVID-19 asema ba no omo mebu ho nkonta nti no so ose group demands forensic audit COVID-19 expenditure enti we eye ensema adomonline.com no eda ha edi akotene ebi ka ho bebre na so ameni kan emobo we so ma wansa o my pacho.
Well, yeah, called daily guides, you know, see the 4 rights on Ghana's IMF bailout, and once I say, and a government IMF begins talks, and also in Akwenyawa, MPP warns delegates against vote buying. Also, the Sako Kobona Kotuna, Ghana's envoy comments Hajj board. Oba center spreads. Still, is talking about our own dear Dorinando, Ebra 50 years. Nunti, Osha Nifuni one kama Dorin at 50. Also, the Nifuni about. Still, you are celebrating it. It's your month. Dorinando Koso now celebrated. The new crusading guide. Ghana's interest is a priority in IMF negotiations. Ira Kojo Ponkroma, Minister Information also Ekasa say, and Occupy Ghana mounts pressure on Auditor General to enforce disallowance and surcharge powers. Also on Guswa Ono Kasa. Government exhibits transparency in IMF deal. MPP Mrashebi Jeni and Wakasa say, Oba the find that the Wakata is also talking about Esika Botina. Yede kwashe tourism sector nim na abua wona ye hotel adwuma wona ye nyuma hodo bia ne tourism adwuma no akwanya nti enwa semwa and President Akufo-Addo commissions 45 metro mass buses the find that the Bokrata also ediaba countdown to the MPP national executive about to ebekoswi the statesman say I equal to others quit MPP race. Oh, I see. And Ghana's interest to be prioritized in IMF deal, 45 new buses for Metro Mass Transit, and once them say. And then the anchor so can ask them anafi the daybreak is so also eka nasem say. So clearly, it's all do I told you Democrat no ni na kasafa tourism sika eko honum na afi ebi so kasafa Metro Mass ebi so kasafa area before ebi so kasa efa ene Zambia for mobana obajin cheche na adisua for a good year to enti say Ghana achia sa no ba emu kra achia but emu ye tie nyina na kabom yie void of partisanship or needed partisan ni pegedua na ebetima besi obrane ama Ghana sako o bibi ade my online bi ma
ene na my joy online ewa hanum say no ru Dominic Netiwo e na ekyem se senka aban wode emu hia na aw anka ode bema mododo if government had the means they would have given it to you enti adekwa a wokasa asemi na chese wode a teacher for almost say omko strike no enti adekwa a church for no pen no senka aban wa kode bema mododo wohu batan ya aduane kura no den kom de ne bada enti ru Netiwo e na ekasa asem no adwosafo enra nso wanko eno ho asem ewa ha ignore any recruitment advertisement on social media platforms. Ghana Armed Forces for na ebo sa akoko se uhu social media nka ebo bia se brane ebefa wo soja dwumani mu a che yiwani free ho na enye ho e na omofa enkrofo efi na Haruna Idris nso asem ni IMF bailout or say stop any attempt to shift blame on minority. Enti se MPP abaya hwem na so de Ghana kwa IMF a enya afa ne dom kuma wom rashe be dafie no obetu ani asi mu so se asa mo kra na no na mo na mo ke David mo kɔ mo kwan a mo kɔ mo kwan ma mo fa ma no bia mesi wo mo so ntie no so ho asɛm ɛna ɛda ahanom say collar strike government meeting with striking teacher union ends inconclusively enra ene anopa yi kasiem ya bo ho amane se nkonyasie ne de kɔ so nanso tikro ankɔ bankurum enti amfa akyerɛkyerɛfo no ɛda so a ɛwɔ etiatie mu enti ɛdɔso ene wo adomonline.com hana ba ko a no yɛ kɛse ɛwɔ mpa no sɛ wonse omai say NIA card no eno na eye bibia ebinom nso nya omo de ebi se omai no omo nyan ebi nso nya e kura na so NIA nso say our set record ni straight ene say card ni bebre wo ma so ye ho no mo a egu ho kwa omo hu ni wura enti ebia na odie wo mo a ko ma so ye na kohwese bia ebetumi de odie amanya sa wa usika no kura no wonsa entumi enka wo bank anase wo mobile money no eso enti we ekansama hodo anope myjoyonline.com ebo ho amane ewo ahanum say Restore fie na flood no Restores house flood after Tuesday's rain. Oh okay no gina mu ha no ene ho yiye pa grandpapa kafra kafra
Okay, so what dom ketase kwano so ani gisem no say the enkrata ho se medi aye adwuma enti bibia di adanse say dom ketase kwano ketase road very very bad bibia di adanse se de ade a yasensa enkrata wi a woni bedi ho dwuma kama o hafo so a 15th and 16th Kofi Job hwidiem Kenya ase ekwan no so also yebedi ho dwuma de amam ye de bisia na yada munyina masesem gusu na kwa ya wode mare fi se ye de agokansie bebro ye de efisem bebro ye de impense musu bebro di o wrap up na fe
me wrap up na almighty way kakra we have no information on construction of National Cathedral Public Procurement Authority. Is that possible?
Omo no mokasa
but it's possible.
Okay, so you that's it.
Okay.
You dey see her.
Ayo.
Na ebe se share.
Matias.
Bye bye.
Yo, bye.